bubble, length of the swab bubble, boundary. So what are the boundary at which surface tension is acting? These are the what? Two circles. So it is 4 pi r. It is 4 pi r. This is one force. Another one is, this is the external pressure. This is the internal pressure. You know pressure is equal to force upon area. So external force is equals to pressure into area, and internal force is equals to pressure into area. External pressure, internal pressure. Okay. Now what we have to just find out? We got the force. Now we have to find out pressure on the surface of the swab bubble. Pressure on the surface of the swab bubble. How can you find out pressure on the surface of the swab bubble? Pressure is equals to force per unit area. Okay. And pressure into area is equals to force. This is not a normal pressure like your atmospheric external pressure and atmospheric air which applied the internal pressure. It is not like that. We studied previously the force on charge conductor. The force on charge conductor. So force on charge conductor, we determine the electric pressure. Electric pressure is equals to sigma square upon 2 epsilon naught. Sigma square upon 2 epsilon naught. That particular formula we speak about that. So we are putting this particular expression we obtained in previous derivation. So what we have to do? Pressure sigma square upon 2 epsilon naught multiplied with area. Area of the circle is pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. So this is the pressure, electric pressure. This is the area and this is the force. So this force is in left hand side. This is the electric force. Electric force is equals to electric pressure multiplied with area. Area is the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. So we got this particular expression here. Okay. So now let's find out the equilibrium condition. Summation of all the forces. Summation of all the forces. So summation F is equals to 0. Now see that how many forces are acting here. Number 1, force due to surface tension. Number 2, here external force. Number 3, internal force. And number 4th one is force due to electric. By this we can say that electric force. How many forces are acting? 4. If you read the concept of coordinate geometry in the 9th standard, this part is positive, this part is negative, this part is positive, this part is negative. So what are the forces are in this particular direction, right hand side? This is positive and these are the forces in the negative direction. So what we have to be conclude here? This is negative, this is negative, this is positive and this is also positive. Let's write down all the forces. First is positive force, this is negative force, this is negative force. Positive force is this, force due to surface tension. Force due to surface tension. Another is force due to internal pressure. Force due to internal pressure. Another one is negative, force due to external pressure. Force due to external pressure. And last one is electric force. Last one is electric force is equal to 0. Now see that when the surface tension will become, then internal pressure and external pressure both are equal. Internal pressure and external pressure both are equal. Why it is equal? Because the surface tension is going to be what? Equal. Both are in the respective of the pressure inside of the air and pressure of the outside air. So it is going to be cancelled. Now remaining is force due to tension. Force due to tension. It is T into 4 pi r. T into 4 pi r. And force due to electric pressure, or you can say that electric force is equal to sigma square upon 2 epsilon naught into pi r square. How it will came? How it came? P into A, pressure, electric pressure, sigma square upon 2 epsilon naught. Previous video you can revise it, you can go through it, you will understand betterly. And area is pi r square. So this is, see that minus electric force will become the right hand side, this negative becomes positive. So sigma square upon 2 epsilon naught into pi r square. So this is capital R square. So this r to r cancel, pi to pi cancel. So we got 40. This is r will become downward, 40 upon r sigma square upon 2 epsilon naught. This is called equilibrium condition. This is called equilibrium condition. We obtain 4 times of surface tension per unit radius is equal to electric pressure. Electric pressure. Okay. So now from this particular derivation we got it. Radius of saw bubble. Radius of saw bubble is 4t. 2 into 4, 8. So 8t epsilon naught divided by sigma square. You can also find out here surface charge density. So surface charge density is equals to sigma square 8t epsilon naught upon radius. So sigma is equals to root of 8t epsilon upon r. So this is a huge and complex derivation, but lastly I am going to revise these things again in a short view. फर्स्ट मैंने यहाँ पे बोला था हमने एक स्फेरिकल सॉ बबल कंसीडर किया, उसके ऊपर यूनिफॉर्मली पॉजिटिव चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ, ठीक है, बता दिया था मैंने यहाँ पे। लेकिन यहाँ पे समझने की बात है, सॉ बबल है तो सॉ का एक सर्कल होगा, दोनों सर्कल सेम है, रेडियस में सेम है, लेकिन मिक्स है। मिक्स मींस एक आउटर है एक इनर, ठीक है, दोनों को समझना जरूरी। सो आउटर इज सॉफ्ट सॉल्यूशन सेकेंडरी सर्कल, अनदर इज inside is primary circle, you can say that number 1 circle, okay, which is made by the air। मैंने अलग अलग नहीं बनाया, किसी की भी अलग अलग कोई रेडियस नहीं होती है, दोनों की रेडियस क्या होती है, सेम होती है। अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू ओनली फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आई ड्रॉ दिस सर्कल स्मॉलर एंड दिस इज बिगर, ओके, बिकॉज इट इज अ 2D, if it is a 3D I will show you, okay, but it is a 2D, that's why I am just showing this thing। and now this, the pressure inside the saw bubble is more than the pressure outside the saw bubble। अब इंटरनल प्रेशर किससे ज्यादा है, आउटर साइड के प्रेशर पे, बिकॉज आउटसाइड एरिया बहुत ज्यादा है, किसके पास, एयर के पास। अगर एरिया ज्यादा है इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, एरिया ज्यादा इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, प्रेशर कम हो गया आउटसाइड, लेकिन इनसाइड एरिया कम है, एरिया कम है तो एयर का प्रेशर क्या हो गया, मैक्सिमम। अब इन दोनों को बैलेंस करना है, वही तो आपकी क्या कंडीशन, इक्विलिब्रियम, और उस बैलेंस कंडीशन के लिए हमें उसके साथ क्या ऐड करना पड़ रहा है, सरफेस टेंशन। अब ये सरफेस टेंशन कैसे ऐड किया, क्या किया, कौन कौन से फोर्स लग रहे हैं, उसके लिए फिजिक्स में हम स्मॉल पार्ट कंसिडर करते हैं, तो मैंने एक स्मॉल पार्ट कंसिडर कर लिया, इसका हाफ ले लिया और इंटरनल बता दिया, दोनों स्फीयर है, दोनों की दोनों स्फीयर है, दोनों की दोनों स्फीयर में मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ पर आपको बता दिया बाउंड्री के ऊपर कौन लगता है, सरफेस टेंशन। यू ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टूड द सरफेस टेंशन इज ऑलवेज एप्लीकेबल along the boundary, because if the teacher taught you that particular concept, he told you what is surface tension, the tension along the length. So length of the circle, surface tension is acted here. So what actually we obtain, surface tension is equal to force per unit length, but we want forces, only forces we want. So force is equals to tension into length, but length of two circle, one is for the soft solution, another for is air. So T into 4 pi r, 2 pi r plus 2 pi r, length of circle of air, length of circle of soft solution. So 4 pi r. Another force is acted, internal pressure, external pressure. Pressure is converted into internal force and external force. Internal force, pressure, internal pressure into area. External force, external pressure into area. And now finally we got it, force per unit area. Force per unit area, by means this is also the area of the circle. Here also we have to find out the force. So force, it is called electric force. It is called electric force is equals to electric pressure into area. Electric pressure we already solved in the previous derivation. That is the electric pressure is equals to sigma square upon 2 epsilon naught. Area of the circle you know very well from the 10th class, 9th class, pi r square. So we got the electric force. So now summation of all the forces, tangential force, internal force, external force, electric force. So after solving, we got the equilibrium condition is 40 upon r is equal to sigma square upon 2 epsilon naught, and we got the radius, we got the surface tension. I hope so you understood. Thank you so much. If you will have any queries, you can comment in the section.